Hi all, my name is Catherine, Assistant Professor from the Department of AML, SNS College of Technology, Coimbatore. Today in our lecture series, we shall see about the number theory and the public key crypto systems. The first half of this unit is all about number theory. Today in our lecture series, we'll see about the number theory. So, before beginning into the number theory and the algorithms, we should know what is a random number. So, cryptography mainly deals with selecting the random numbers in order to make the algorithms more complex. So, the random numbers plays a major role in making this encryption and the decryption part more complex. So the randomness is nothing but a sequence of numbers be random in some well-defined statistical sense. So it should be uniformly distributed. The distribution of bits in the sequence should be uniform. That is, the frequency of occurrence of ones and zeros should be approximately equal. So what the algorithm should generate is it should generate random numbers at the same times. It should be in a well-defined statistical sense. Also, the zeros and ones should be uniform. We should not make use of more number of zeros and more number of ones. They should be equally distributed. And unpredictability. The values are uniformly distributed over a defined interval or set, and it is impossible to predict future values based on past or present ones. It's nothing but, for example, if you are getting a sequence of numbers, random numbers, for example, 11, 00, 111, and 10 and 1. So based upon that, you should not be the cryptanalyst should not be able to crack the previous or the next sequence of numbers. That is how your numbers should be random. So it should be unpredictable for anybody apart from the sender and the receiver to crack this random numbers. That is how your random numbers should be. So pseudo random number generator. Before getting into this, we should know there are two random numbers: true random numbers and pseudo random numbers. It's hard to generate truly random numbers because with only with computers it's difficult. With manual and human beings can generate truly random numbers, but when you depend upon some algorithms, it's always not possible to create a truly random numbers, but you can create a pseudo random numbers, which is more or less similar to the truly random numbers. It gives the same output as of the truly random numbers, but with minor changes. So it is pseudo random numbers are generated using a deterministic algorithms. So what you do is you have a source of true randomness and you convert into a binary and you get a stream of random bit generators. What happens in this pseudo random number is you put the seed. Seed is nothing but the input value. Whatever you're giving some value, and you need based upon that value, you need a bit of streams. So for that, you are using a deterministic algorithm. You know that algorithm. The classic example for this is stream generation. An earlier video, I should told you what is a stream generator. You put the seed value or the key input into a generator, key stream generator, and the output you will be getting is a some random key values. So that values you will be doing the encryption and the decryption part. So that is what here is given. The Alice and Bob, they need to generate a they need keys. So they what they do is, as you all know, whatever key is used for encryption, that same key should be used for the decryption. Only then you can reverse the plain text. So in order to do that, you need a deterministic algorithm. Only then, when you apply that algorithm in both the sides with the same key values, you will be getting the same key streams. So here you see she has a set of plain text. It is taken as in streams, and she has generated the key streams with the use of a pseudo random generator, which has a deterministic algorithm. Earlier we saw that RC4 algorithm is a deterministic algorithm. You know that deterministic algorithm is nothing but it goes through a sequence of steps which is determined. You know the steps of the algorithm. So based upon the key, the values will change. Based upon the key values, each time you give a different key, you get a different output. So here what they do is the Alice and Bob will be having the access to the keys. All they need is they put it into the key stream generator. She gets K1, K2, K3, and Kn. So in order, when she XORed it with the plain text, she got an output of Y1, Y2. So Bob, what he has to do, he also needs the same key stream. So if he gets when you put into a truly random generator, you might get a different key. When you get a different key streams, you will not get the original plain text. Our idea is to uh, uh, protect this keys from the cryptanalyst. So he will not be without being access to this algorithm, he won't be able to get this same key streams. So pseudo random generator is with the help of a deterministic algorithm, you are able to get a key streams. Every time you input a different keys, you get a different set of key streams. That is all about this pseudo random generator. So we have a set of generators with this set of algorithm. Earlier we saw this RC4 algorithm. We have two more algorithms under the pseudo random generators, which we will be seeing in the coming series. Thank you. I hope you all understood. Thank you.